Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making blueberry muffins from scratch. They're so delicious. They are loaded up with fresh blueberries. They're super easy to make and would make a great breakfast or even just a snack with a cup of coffee or tea. Blueberry muffins coming up. Oh, and one more thing. Do not forget to press that bell button so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. To begin, we're creaming together 1 cup of white sugar and 8 tablespoons of softened butter. We are doing this until it's light and fluffy. It should take about a couple of minutes. Now, add in 2 eggs, beat that together. Add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and beat that together. Add in the secret ingredient, 1 cup of sour cream. Beat that together. Half a cup of milk. And we're going to give that a whisk. We are also adding in some lemon zest. Give that a whisk, and we are moving on to the dry ingredients. In another mixing bowl, add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. At this point, you can sift that together or use the more modern method, which is to run a whisk through it, which kind of airs it, and mix it together. Now we're going to take our dried ingredients and mix them with the wet ingredients. Only use half of the dried ingredients and we're going to mix them just until they are combined. Add the other half of the dried ingredients. Once both dry and wet ingredients have been combined, we're adding in 2 cups of blueberries. Now fold it in until just combined. You don't want to overwork this dough. You don't want to have tough muffins, but don't be too panicked about overmixing. Fold it in and mix it until it looks just like that. In our muffin baking tin, we are lining it with paper baking cups. Very convenient, if I do say so myself. And we are spraying each cup with non-stick cooking spray. This would make the wrappers peel a lot easier from the muffins, so your muffins do not stick to the liner. Now go ahead and scoop your batter onto the muffin cups. We're using about 1/4 cup per muffin. Bake at 375 for 30 minutes. And there they are. Let them cool off for 5 minutes. Do you know in the United States which state is called the official blueberry muffin state? Please let me know in the comment box down below. Let's give it a try. They are so soft, so moist, and full of flavor. Blueberry muffins. Enjoy! Buen provecho! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and before you go, watch this delicious recipe and that other yummy recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.